Today we are testing Tripo, which is the sponsor of this video. It's an AI 3D creation platform that transforms your text, images and edited references into 3D models. Perfect for creators, game developers, 3D printing fans and artists who want to build usable 3D assets faster. Let's go in. So first you go on tripo3d.ai. So the interesting part here, it's not only made for quick visual experiments. The models can also be used for workflows like game assets, product concepts, 3D printing or further editing inside tools like Blender. If we scroll down on this page, we see some examples here, like you upload your desired image or your prompt, create a warrior in a combat stance, hit generate and you have your 3D model ready to use. To get started, just click on Try Tripo Studio. After setting up, you come to this page here. Here you have the features. You have a high detail model mode where you can generate very exact 3D models for printing or visual art. Up to 2 million polygons will be generated, or the smart topology mesh, a very fast generation, perfect for games or web apps. On the bottom you have some community results here. As you can see, each result is just astonishing here, like this parrot here, a backpack, elephant, you have some characters, a dragon. If you click on it, you can view it in the browser. Very nice details here. You have also textures here like the normal layer, cartoon style, a sketch style, hologram style. You can recraft it just by using the input and the prompt from the creator. You can export it and use it in your Blender. For 3D print, just click on it. Here we can export the multicolor printable file or send it to the Baboo Studio. Very nice. On the right you see some related models if you are searching one. But enough for the community results here. We wanna create our own 3D models. We hit Generate HD model here. On the left we have different settings to choose from. We have the HD model selected. We can now upload an image. We can now use the image to model. We can now choose from image to model, multiview images to 3D, batch images to 3D, or text to model. We have some general settings here, like we want generated with texture up to 8K. We can also activate PBR for physically accurate reflectance properties. Perfect for authentic surfaces. The topology, triangle or quad. The maximum polygons we want. We have also the options for a ultra mesh quality, so it's more realistic, higher details. We can also activate the generate in parts, where our model will be generated in parts, which is easier to edit it in the post-production, like in Blender. As we saw, we have the 8K texture available here for maximum power. Also a privacy here, if the model is public available, private or sharing only. Currently we have the latest model activated 3.1 for the best quality. So let's get started. We have this chest here and we want to generate the model out of it. Just hit generate model. He's now generating our model, gathering all information he needs. And here is our HD model, very detailed, very nice, exactly like in the image. From the front and the back, bottom, top, all is accurate, exactly what we wanted. The HD model H3.1 is just amazing. If we zoom here, we see the details. As we can see, it's just amazing. It's not a flat surface here, just realistic, exactly as we expected it. We can now change some styles here, like before. Cartoon style, also very nice, looks like Zelda. Hologram style, very nice. We can see the same without lighting here. It's really great. Awesome. We could now retry the generation if we're not satisfied enough, but that's fine. Let's export it to Blender. Just hit export. We can insert a file name here, a format. Let's use FBX here for Blender. Text resolution 4K is enough. And we hit export. And now in Blender you just say import, and seconds later our chest is inside Blender, looking amazing still, ready to use in your game development, in your further production. Tripo 3D is just amazing in this. Now we tried this image with generate in parts. We have the segment tab on the left. Just click on it. Here you can see the different parts he generated, which are ready to use for your post-production, easier to edit, easier to adjust things if you need to. It's just crazy how detailed, how easy this works. Just with a few clicks, you have your generated 3D model. You have also an explosion button here. Just click on it and you get a nice separation of each segment here. Very nice. Let's look it in Blender. And as you can see, we have the different parts here. We can delete parts. We can duplicate parts here. We can give the parts different materials if we want to. Accurate, easy. Just awesome. On the left, on the texture, as we saw before, we can generate the texture from the image on the 3D image here. Just hit generate texture. And as we can see, the texture is on our 3D model. Accurate, perfect, from all sides. Just amazing. Let's try the same with the 8K texture enabled. Just click on it. We have a free trial here. Generate model. And here we are. As you can see, the textures are on point, 8K resolution. Just amazing. On the Smart Smash feature, we can also upload images, but have no settings here for a higher quality. It's made for a fast prototyping, low poly generations, like this bottle here. Just hit generate model as before. And seconds later we have a low poly generation here. As you can see on the top here, it only has over 2000 vertices and 4000 faces. Accurate model here, exactly like the image on the back and on the front. He generated the model without textures, but we can add them. Just hit texture. He's now generating the texture on this existing model here. And as we can see, he added the texture on it, exactly like in the image. Accurate, very nice, smooth, just awesome. Here another example of a chest. The input image had no color here. It's also supported. Tripo 3D just nailing it on the top, front, sides. All is good here. Very nice. If you're missing your base image to generate 3D models, Tripo 3D has a generate image feature here also with the top models like Nano Banana 2. Let's try an advanced example here. We have this image from this character and we want a back view of it. We just inserted the prompt generate the back of this character, upload this character and hit generate image. You have also some templates to use here like T-pose generation, photo to figure and more. And we are already ready, and as we can see, it's just amazing. It's exactly our character, just from the back. We have different backpacks here. Let's choose like this one. We can instantly generate a 3D model out of it, a high detail or a smart topology mesh. We want to try the multi-view image. In our case, we want to try the multi-view image feature. Hit download. Now at the multi-view images to 3D, we just upload our front character. We uploaded the back character. We don't need the parts feature here. We just hit generate model now. And let's have a look to our character. The front is exactly like the image, very high details here. Crazy, just not only flat surfaces here. We have the items here on the lower body, the arms, the clothings. Just awesome. Let's rotate to the back. And here we are. Our back image is used here. Exactly what we wanted. It's crazy accurate. Very detailed, the texture is very nice. Well, it's one of the best 3D tools I've ever experienced. With the HD Model H3.1, the quality is just insane. If you like Tripo, just try it yourself. New users can get 500 bonus credits, and for Tripo's anniversary, the Pro plan has a discount. The Max plan is also 50% off, double credits included. Tripo is useful for creators, game developers, designers, 3D artists, makers and anyone who wants to turn ideas into 3D assets faster. If you like Tripo, just click the link in the description to try it out. See you in the next one.